I paid you through school. From your year 1 to your 400 level that you are currently, I paid all your school fees. I even bought a phone for you last week.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Palitoka, aka Gabriel, the voice note guy. Okay, today I'm with a fine, young, sweet, handsome, breathtaking Bobo. What's the name, bros?
I'm Raymond.
Raymond.
Yeah.
Ha. Let's say you be white boy, no, you be black boy. But this one has a kind of clean English name. The name fits your doings.
Thank you, bro.
Okay. So Raymond said that this is not a prank. Raymond told me that this is not a prank. This is an enlightenment. No, this is not an enlightenment. This is a very marvelous program.
Yeah.
He wants to go and ask. You want to tell them.
I want to go and ask my girlfriend for
hand in marriage. Love is sweet, though, but when money enter, love. So let me not talk too much. So where do you think she will be by now? You've called her.
Yeah,
and you know the location.
Yeah,
already.
I called her this morning.
Cast a location for camera.
No. I called her this morning, and I know where she is. Yes.
So from here, we are going to where she is to go and tell her that, will you marry me?
Yeah.
You want to go and pop the big question?
Bro, the thing is, I've been with her for so long now, and I've been helping her in her school, paying her school fees and all that. So
you paid her school fees?
Yes.
Guys, did you hear where this guy said he paid her school fees? Do you know what that means? That means you actually love this girl.
As in love, I love her so much, and I really want to spend the rest of my life with her. I want to engage her before before her graduation, before she goes for service and all that.
Hey. Yeah. Wait, I want to ask you one question. Don't you think it's not safe? Because I've had issues with this girl. A trained girl go school, she no longer marry me. I've had issues with it. Are you sure that this your girl is not going to replicate those issues?
Man, I like this girl. She not fit. She love me die.
She love you die.
I doubt.
You doubt?
I doubt.
See, I know you doubt. I am very sure that you doubt.
Yes.
But I've seen issues, and they say, what an elder sees while sitting down. Even if a child climbs to the topest part of the tree, will not see.
She can't wait for me to propose.
She's not waiting. She's waiting for the big question.
She's just waiting. See, we've been together, so there's.
So you've been paying her school fees. You've been showing her love. You've been there all this while.
Plus, I've been doing much more than that. Recently, I got her a phone self.
You got her a phone? Not too long ago.
Not too long. Recently.
Congratulations, man. You see, they say there's one song. I don't know who sang that song. Is hey, yeah, that song. Whether I buy it smooth, I mean, I was sing that song. Say, whether I buy with your wife. I love my wife, no be from mouth. I don't see my soulmate, no be from mouth. If you really love your wife, take care of her. You are a good man.
Thank you.
So they take care of this girl since.
Sure.
So guys, let me not talk too much. Let me not waste your data because data is expensive.
Yeah, bro.
Let us move on to the next part of this our journey, which is the engagement proper. Watch out and see where we go from here. Okay. So guys, where she is? Inside there.
Yeah, she should be inside there.
She's inside there.
Yeah, she's inside there.
Yeah. Come on, the floors. Now the ring be this.
Yeah.
This is body sitting a ship ring. Why is that? Oh boy. Don't use your money to train this girl go school.
Oh boy, a lot.
A lot. Okay, no worry. Come on, the floors. I see with that again.
Yeah, that's
I will follow you. Go there. Listen to engagement. Also know this one.
Baby, what are you drinking?
What's the camera for now? Why are you videoing me?
Baby, what? I told you that I don't like my woman drinking beer. What are you doing?
I don't understand. What is that supposed to mean?
Baby, so many times I've told you I don't like it when you drink beer. What?
What's this all for? Why the camera? Why are you videoing me?
Okay, baby, to cut the whole long story short, go straight to the point. Baby, you know, we've been dating for a while now, for a very long time. And I've been thinking that I should do this now because I know it will never be a perfect time to do this. I know today is just the perfect time. And I really want us to make things right. Please. Will you marry me?
You're embarrassing me. You're
baby.
embarrassing me.
But why is he embarrassing you now?
I don't understand. What's this for?
Baby, please, will you marry me?
Is this how other men propose to their girlfriends?
Baby,
You're embarrassing me.
baby,
What
it's
is
not,
this?
but he's my friend, and I told him a lot about you, and he was like, he wants to confirm
Please cut that camera. You're embarrassing me.
What is the problem now? What is the issue?
I don't understand. What is this? Is this the kind of ring other men propose to their
Baby,
girlfriend?
this is
Wait,
just
wait, wait.
temporary. I will
No,
get
no,
you
no,
back.
no,
Now you calm
seriously,
down now.
This is embarrassing. You're embarrassing me. I can't take this, please. What's this? What's the drama for?
Baby, why
And you even came with camera. They are not
No,
ashamed.
no.
You came with camera to do what?
But it's not bad now. There's nothing bad here now. He loves you and he wants to marry you.
No. He's not
Baby,
my
are
kind
you
of
telling
man.
me?
Wait. Let me wait. Allow me, man. She thought just the way they shock me. You say it's not your kind of man.
Yes, he does not have the kind of money I want.
Does not have the kind
You
of
just
money.
said
Yes.
you just said that to me.
Yes.
You're
not my
Raymond.
kind of man. Raymond.
You're Raymond.
I don't understand.
I paid you through school. From your year 1 to your 400 level that you are currently, I paid all your school fees. I even bought a phone for you last week.
Okay,
Baby, wait.
We no go.
Wait.
Now you calm down. Now
You said I'm not the kind of man she
You don't
wants.
shout. You don't
Wait.
shout.
I'm not the kind of man
Don't
she
shout.
wants.
Wait.
I don't. You want to beat
When you've
me?
been collecting all my money,
How much?
I've been. Oh, how much? You're asking me how much now? Your mom was not feeling fine. You took her to the hospital. Who paid the hospital bill? Was I not the one?
force you?
Was I not the one?
Did
I
I
paid your
force
school
you?
fees
Did I
from year
force
1
you?
plus from year 1 to year 4. I did pay her school
cut that
fees.
camera.
Wait.
Cut the camera
Let
now.
us talk like adults.
Why the camera?
Bro, no go for people
Wait.
share.
I'm angry, bro. See.
Don't go for people share. If you break this share now, you don't right do.
Wait.
Calm down now. See, this is we're in front of a camera. The world is going to watch this
That is
video.
the more reason you should cut the
If,
camera.
okay, is it the camera? If we off this camera, are you going to accept the marriage?
No, because it's not my kind of man.
You're wicked. You're wicked for saying that to me. That I'm not the kind of man. You're wicked.
Leave him.
You're wicked.
Baba, you say you love this girl and you
And
don't
bros.
say the girl go accept you. Which one can be you're not the kind of man again?
Bros, you not hear what they talk.
Do you wait?
You're wicked.
I want to
After
ask you.
paying your school fees, doing a lot for your family.
Wait.
How much is the money?
Can you pay back?
I can pay back.
Can
How
you
much
pay
is
back? Can you
money?
pay me 3 million naira?
3 million.
For
Where?
everything I've
How
done
much?
for you, for your
3
school fees,
million,
for paying your
where?
mother's
Where?
hospital bill.
I beg, get out.
Wait.
I should get out.
Yes, get lost.
Fine girl. Can I talk to you? This
So
guy.
I should get
Wait
out.
now, boss, calm down now. Wait.
People are embarrassing me.
What should be embarrassment again now? What should be embarrassment again now? You don't express why they drink kai for you. Say they embarrass you. What are these embarrassment again now? What they drink kai? They drink 18 man. They drink. They say they embarrass you. Yo, boy went on a date for how many years? You don't want to get married and say what happened. Say, okay, are you in love with somebody else?
Yes, I'm in love with somebody.
Oh, you're in love with somebody. You have somebody you want to marry.
Yes.
You don't see your life. No. You don't see. You laugh.
But you told
No,
me
it's like
you
a
love me.
joke. It's like a joke to you. It's like a joke to you.
You told me you love me. That you spend the rest of your life with me. That you can't wait to
never
graduate
told
from
you
your.
that.
Okay, you never told him that.
Yes.
What you gonna told them since? This you never told him that.
Forcing himself on
What is the one forcing himself on you?
Yes.
But they collect money.
You are a witch. You are a witch.
You never.
God will
Okay,
punish you for doing
Baba,
this
calm
to
down,
me.
Baba, calm
God
down.
will punish you.
No, you won't go beat the girl. Calm
You are a
down now.
witch.
You.
You are a witch.
Baba,
God
calm
will
down.
punish you.
See, bro.
After all I've been through, bro.
You're embarrassing.
Man,
Wait,
see,
listen.
Where's that phone? After all I've been through.
Baba,
I'm
what you
not
want
giving
to
her
I
this
don't
phone back.
understand.
Wait,
taking
Baba.
my
No.
phone. I got her this
They
phone.
do like that.
See, I'll go to the house.
Baba, they do like that. You don't pour beer. This beer na Euro beer. They sweet well.
See,
Oh
you.
God.
will punish you for what
Wait. See, bro, calm
Man.
down. Bro, calm down. Bro, calm down. So you want to collect this phone back?
I'm collecting the phone.
Man, no
right
lie for
away.
you. I support this phone. Put inside pocket first.
I'm collecting the
I
phone.
don't understand.
What do you don't understand?
I don't
You go the guy.
understand.
Wait, you know the person the person about her. She go to smile. Carry smiling face, but be like winch. She laugh again, bro. This is a joke. We are joking now.
Very rich.
You are joking now. Put your hand for your chest. Say I'm a winch.
I'm not a wish.
You're not a winch.
You're
I'm not a wish.
Say
Give me my phone.
You're
not
wicked.
collect
I'm
your
going
phone.
with your phone. I bought
I
this
will-
phone. I bought this phone
Okay,
for
wait,
you,
wait.
and you will refund every
Wait.
dime.
Every
dime.
What's going to happen
She
now?
will refund every dime.
Wait now. You know if you force her to refund dime now.
She will.
She said how they sweat. Wait, why you say they drink kai? I mean, that kai they worry your eye.
Which kai they worry my
Why
eye?
you drink kai? If you better get you go drink kai.
I don't understand. What is wrong
You
with
don't drink Captain
alcohol?
Jack, they drink Hero. You girl like you, they drink.
That's my last card.
You said
She
you
will
carry,
call me
you carry
and
your
tell
money.
me she don't-
You carry your money. They sponsor drunkard. See now.
Did I force him? I never forced him. He was the one forcing himself on me.
He was the one forcing himself on you.
Yes.
But they collect money.
I don't understand. I did not force
You
him.
did not force him.
Yes.
After many years. If they swear for you now,
Yeah.
if they swear for you, they say they don't swear for you.
Lillian, you're wicked for doing this to me.
Okay, and then Lillian. You
You're
go follow girl
wicked.
when they answer Lillian. You follow girl, they answer Lillian.
You're wicked.
Guys, you know what happen? Mono there, they waste our time. Just give her the phone back. You know, give her.
I'm not giving her the phone.
Oh, yeah, you know, give her. Auntie,
I'm not giving
see,
you back.
if you want to collect the phone, carry us to court. Take us to court. Where they go?
Bro, she's wicked. You're
Raymond,
wicked.
give me my
God
phone
will punish
back.
you for what you've done
Raymond,
to
give
me.
me back
Baba,
my
leave her.
phone.
You want to collect which phone?
My phone.
Which phone?
Every time.
Baba, I'm going to go. Leave. Come on for
Every
that.
time you refund it
Baba,
back.
leave her. Leave her. I'm going to go. Leave her. I'm going to
Oh,
go.
you're taking me to
Leave her. I'm
be
going
a
to go. Leave her.
fool.
I'm going to go.
You're
Leave her. I'm going to
laughing
go. Leave her. I'm going to go.
Because I don't have money now. Yes.
Leave her. I'm going to go. I'm going to go. Now you won't fight again.